Welcome back. This is the first video in what's going to be a three-part series for building this dresser and its drawers. So first, we're going to start off by building a drawer, and in the second video, we'll build the rest of the dresser, and in the third video, we will assemble it so the drawers slide in nicely. Okay, first things first, let me close this down, and we'll get into a blank SOLIDWORKS document. And I'll open up a sketch. I'm going to throw this on the front plane, and I'm going to start off with just a simple center rectangle. And I'm going to make this one 8 inches tall by 24 inches wide. There we go. Then I am going to extrude this for a depth of 1 inch. This is just the front faceplate on the drawer. On the back side of it, I'll build the rest of my drawer. So I will throw a sketch onto this back surface here. It's just going to be a center rectangle right here. It's going to be 6 inches by 24 inches. Perfect. Then I'll turn it into a feature by extruding it. Going to extrude it 11 inches. Now I sort of have a solid block here, not very functional as a drawer without a hole in the middle. So I'll just pick my shell feature, pick the surface that I want to shell out, and I will leave about a 3/4 of an inch thick surface all the way around. There we go. Now I got something I can actually use. Onto the front, I'm going to put myself a little pull knob. So that's going to be another sketch. Throw it on the front here. This time I'm going to use a circle. We'll make that a 1 inch diameter circle. I'll extrude it out, let's say 1/2 inch. Looks good. And then onto that one, I'm going to put another one. Just another sketch. Another circle. We'll make this one 3 inches, and we will extrude it 1 inch. Good. And now just to make it look nice, I'm going to fillet my curves on this guy, front and not that face, and delete that one. Zoom in here, see if I can grab this edge. There we go. And I'm going to go with a bit more of an aggressive fillet on that. Let's say 1/4 inch. That looks pretty good. There we go. I got myself a pretty nice looking drawer here. Now I just have to put the little slots in so that it can actually slide in and out of the dresser. Well, I just need to cut away some of this material. So I'll throw a sketch on my back surface. And just a center rectangle that lines up with my origin and contacts right there in the midpoint. Good. And I'm just going to make this a 1 by 1. And then I'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Make it a 1 inch by 1 inch. Good. I will turn both of these into extruded cuts that go up to next. Nope, I just want to make those blind and 11 inches. Good. Now I've got my little grooves, I got my pull knob, I got myself a nice little drawer. That concludes this first video, and the next one we'll build the rest of the dresser, and then in the third one we'll assemble it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.